Down. Stay. Come here. Come here. Oh, 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 hey, ow. Oh, 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 you got me. Hey everybody, welcome back to another Next Level Lawn Care video. So, I think this is the last mow of the season. I apologize I haven't had a video out in the last 3 weeks. Work got super crazy busy, and this is actually the first time I've mowed the grass in 3 weeks. And as you can see, it's only grown about an inch in that last 3 weeks. So the colder temperatures are here. We've been dipping down into the 30s at night, but it's been getting up into the 70s still during the day, which I think has kind of kept the grass green a lot longer than what I'm used to, at least. We're now middle of November. This is craziness. Today is November 16th. This is crazy. This is normally, by this time of year, the grass is completely dormant and brown, and it's still green and jumping, but temperatures are supposed to hit 30 tonight and 18 tomorrow night. So I got a feeling this is probably the last mow, which makes me sad, but I just wanted to tell everybody thank you so much. This has been an incredible year. I'm going to put together a little video for you right now of how far we've come with this yard. For those of you that don't know, and for those of you that do, enjoy. Come here, Ray. Look at you, handsome fella. Look at you. Say hi to everybody. 'Cause I don't want this moment to be over. So wasn't that fun? What a lot of work it was. And I have a pretty fun video planned for this winter where I'm gonna do a test with some various liquid aeration products to see if those actually do anything. So if you wanna see how that test goes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So we already got the sprinkler system blown out. I had to come home from work and do that at like 9 o'clock at night one night because I've been getting home way after dark. I haven't been able to film anything. So the sprinklers are off. It's supposed to be super cold tonight, and tomorrow night it's supposed to be like 18 degrees. So I think we're done for the year. I don't think we'll get a chance to mow this again. Maybe I'll do it just for fun anyways. But I've got a lot of great winter lawn care tips coming up. Just because the grass is dormant doesn't mean our job is over. If you haven't seen my how to winterize your lawn video already, be sure to check that out. We need to get that last application of fertilizer down for sure, but there's also some other things you need to do during the winter to make your spring green up just a little bit better. So we'll talk about those in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, get outside and get your lawn to the next level. Bye.